Hi, I'm Jessica, and this is the ColorWay 2-in-1 iPad stand and cleaning kit. The ColorWay 2-in-1 iPad stand and cleaning kit is perfect for people on the go who need a compact way to clean and display their devices. This kit includes one iPad stand, one liquid cleaning spray, and one microfiber pouch. To use, simply spray the cleaning solution onto your device's screen and wipe clean. The stand displays your tablet in 3 different orientations: horizontal, vertical, and inclined. Clean your electronic equipment safely by adding the ColorWay 2-in-1 iPad stand and cleaning kit to your cart today.